So why is the Galaxy Store not working on my Android phone? Let me explain it and cover it from multiple different angles. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, the Galaxy Store is pre-installed on every Samsung device. So it's not like you have to get it because it's not even possible to remove it, right? You don't have the ability to like uninstall it. So it should always be there. However, when you click on it like this, you're going to notice that it perhaps isn't going to work right away. And the most common reason is simply because I'm not signed in with my Samsung account in here, right? So it's the same account which you would also find if you went to the settings, and at the top of the list, we also have the sign into the Galaxy account, meaning that I have to be signed in order to proceed with it. Right, so if you are inside of the Galaxy Store, you can just click on sign in and choose any of the methods which you would go through, right? So I just signed in with my Google account beforehand, but since I have another Galaxy phone laying around where I'm signed in with the same account, I'm going to go with a sign in with a QR code like this. It's going to pull up the code. And I'm going to get the other phone, open up the camera, and basically scan it like this. And once it gets recognized, right, it should give me the ability to basically just connect it like this. Yeah, but the point is that it doesn't really matter if you are signing in one way or another. You just need to make sure that the app has access to your account. Otherwise, it is simply not going to work, right? So if I click on it like this, it's all set. And right now, on the other device, I can agree to the terms and conditions. Click on agree like this, and it's going to sign me in. And now the Galaxy Store should be working, right? I should have the ability to click on any of the apps I want and download them to my local storage. A couple of other reasons why it couldn't work is probably due to the lack of storage. So if I go inside of the settings and click on the device care, I can manage the storage and see how much I have available. And it's obviously, if you have like a pretty low storage device like I do, it's going to be kind of harder to get apps, especially the larger ones. So that is definitely something which could prevent it. But if you have something very specific which you encountered on the way to use the Galaxy Store, let me know about it below in the comments so I can perhaps make an updated video about it. For now, that's it, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.